Hello everyone. We have completed the lesson How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. I hope you understood the story. In today's session, let us go through the question answers. First question. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. The dog felt restless in, for looking for food as well as to protect him from other wild creatures. He was sick and tired, wandering about alone looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Right? This is the answer for first one. Second one. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? The dog first chose a big, strong, and fierce wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up, since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. Right? At first, the dog chose Wolf as his master. Later, he left him because the dog came to know that the wolf is afraid of bear. He wanted to serve the strongest one. Right? This is the answer for second one. Third one. Who did he choose next? After leaving the wolf, who did he choose next? He chose the bear to be his master next. Right? He chose the bear to be his next master. Fourth one. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. When he left the bear, he joined the lion as a servant. He stayed with him for a long time because the life with lion was very comfortable for the dog. There was no one to touch him and to give any trouble. Why? Because the lion was the strongest beast in the forest, right? This is the answer for fourth one. Last one. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? He finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man as he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth. He chose man as his master. Finally, the dog chose man as his master because it came to know the lion was afraid of man, right? He wanted to serve the most powerful and stronger animal, that is man, right? I hope you understood the question answers of the lesson How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. In this class we came to know the question answers of the lesson. You have to write these in notebook and it will be checked in the regular class. Thank you. Have a nice day.